reflect your nervous system state. When our nervous system is dysregulated, our thoughts become survival based. Our brain uses what's called neuroception to scan the environment for signs of danger. With a dysregulated nervous system, our neuroception is off or faulty, meaning we overreact or underreact to external situations based on what's happening internally. I hope you will give me 1000 likes. Now share and tell your friends about today's session. I hope you all have learned something. In case you have any doubts or questions, please comment down. And yes, subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Eastern Psychologist. Here are some examples of faulty neuroception. You can read these as well. Here are 6 examples of faulty neuroception. When we are in this state, our thoughts plus behavior are run by our limbic system, which is a part of our brain. We are reactive. We do plus say things we later regret because we are truly not in the right state of mind. Learning to identify our own thought patterns plus triggers is key. When we are in this state, we must learn to self-soothe. The body must be involved in this soothing to help the mind return to the prefrontal cortex. For example, when you were a baby, you immediately plus instinctively knew your mother. She was your life force. Survival depended on her. She shaped every nervous system response you have. When a stranger picked you up, you immediately cried. This was neuroception at work. You were born with neuroception, the ability to scan the environment for danger. This person was not your mother. There were a stranger plus this felt unsafe. Crying was your way of expressing the danger. If your mother was emotionally attuned, connected to you, she may have picked you back up. Her voice, smell, plus familiar hold soothed you. Your nervous system went back into a parasympathetic state. You were safe. Many of us were raised in homes with distracted, overworked, addicted, or traumatized parent figure who didn't have the support they needed to understand our emotional needs. Because of this, our neuroception is faulty. You were not safe. We don't react to the situation as it is. We react to our own internal state. Our nervous system becomes dysregulated, plus we have racing thoughts, impulsive behavior, or we completely shut down. Later, we shame ourselves, wondering why we did X, Y, or Z. Learning to understand our triggers is key. Learning to pause to move the body, to release emotional energy before habitually reacting is a key. Our body never forgets. It carries our entire life experience within it. It is so important to understand that thoughts are not reality. Thoughts come from the state of our nervous system. We can learn to soothe ourselves through them. Plus, to be the kind, loving parent to ourselves as we experience them. Keep watching, keep learning, and follow your curiosity. See you in the next one. Bye.